And then we were running, sweating together, and sharing lines, sharing information. So, I've really had a wonderful time. And it would be a shame if this ends now. I think it should be possible for some of those who might in the future may want to get into this program to be, allowed. And that was one of the reasons why I spoke privately with Doc and said, maybe a survey might be required in Norway so that this may be maintained. And so, because I think it's a wonderful program. And I will not say that there will be any of the previous students that have participated in this program, that will say something otherwise. On the other hand, I had intended initially to deal with my country, given everybody knows, I don't want to even go in there. We heard when we came in one of the programs that we were introduced to by Professor De Sosa, he said that, Nigeria, he said, they are quite rich. But if you get into the airport in Abuja, maybe a kilometer from the airport to the presidential residence is where you get, asphalt. We've been traveling from Colombo right to this place. except the small passage from this forest. This place has not been tagged. Most of the places has been tagged and all those things, you know. And what will I say? You know, I was asking, Olga was saying the other time in class that, you know, the best thing for Nigeria is to get rid of oil. So, you know, if it is a cause, you know, I wonder how a country like Sri Lanka doesn't have any major export product would sustain, you know, the amenities that they are getting and elevating the standard of their people and making them feel very proud.